all your beauty essentials in one suitcase. Nope, not this one. This one. Hey guys, my name is Saba Asif and I'm a very proud Sephora Squad member. Today we're going to talk about the newest Sephora Favorites box, and it's called Beauty in a Suitcase. Okay guys, let's talk about the packaging. This suitcase looks so cute. It's a perfect staycation item for all my beauty lovers. Let's unbox this. You get 7 beauty essentials in this suitcase. That's 5 skincare items and 2 makeup products. These products are everything that you need for a staycation. So when you're on staycation, we need our skin to look flawless, clean, and really beautiful because less is more. We use less makeup and more of skincare. So I'm going to talk to you guys about the Sephora Micellar Water. This has zinc in it and it really removes all your makeup, dirt that's present on your skin and basically leaves it flawless. So after the micellar water, you want to cleanse your face further, or maybe you're just sweating and your skin's really dirty and you don't want to use a typical soap that dries out your skin. Well, I have a perfect product for you. This is the Clarins Remove Cleansing Gel. It makes sure that the moisture is still in your skin, but yet cleanses it really well. Now that you've cleansed your face, we're going to move on to a toner. You want your skin to look really bright, glowy, and tighten those pores. For that, we have the Pixie Vitamin C Toner. This has vitamin C, so it's going to really help your face look bright, glowy, basically skip the foundation. So after the cleansing and toning, everybody needs a good moisturizer because your skin can dry out from all the tanning, the sun, we all need that moisturizer. It's a water creme, so it's really lightweight on the skin. It just makes sure your skin has the perfect amount of moisturizer. And on days where your skin needs a little pick-me-up moment, we have the Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Mask. This just further ensures your skin looks more flawless, all the dirt is out. It's a very cute mask, it bubbles up, so it's just really fun to use. I'm pretty sure after all that skincare, your skin's already looking really flawless. You don't really need that much makeup, but we're just gonna add 2 makeup products here. The first one being the Size Up Mascara by Sephora. This is just gonna add a little bit of pop, a little bit of volume. Skip on those falsies, save your time, and go out looking flawless. And just in case you're a little bit pale and you need some more tan, some more bronzing, I have the perfect solution. This is the Hoola by Benefit Bronzer. It just further ensures your skin's looking more bronze, more snatched, more beautiful. Without all that makeup, just a bronzer mascara is all you really need. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this unboxing. Don't forget, this Favorites box is limited edition and at a very good price, so get it while you can. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.
Sephora, the unlimited power of beauty.